One of the questions I get asked the most is, what's my favorite meal? My favorite meal of the day has always been breakfast, and one of my favorite things to cook is eggs. Eggs are so versatile and so delicate. There's so many ways to do it. Most people like their eggs sunny side up, over medium, over easy, omelets, scrambles. There's so many things, poached. But I'm going to show you how to make the perfect sunny side up egg. And why I say perfect is it's so easy, but also, there's a it's so delicate and it's used in so many dishes right now in the sense of salads on top of burgers and stuff like that. So one of the things I'm going to show you is how to make it so it comes out really soft and delicate, not crispy, not overly fried or anything like that. Hopefully you like this. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our omelet pan. Omelet pan is basically a non-stick pan. So if you have a non-stick pan, you put it on the stove. You set your dial to medium. You don't want to cook the eggs too fast. Next, you're going to grab a stick of butter. What I like to do is just rub it on the pan, just to get butter on the bottom. Then I'm going to crack my eggs. I'm going to do 4 sunny side up eggs. One trick is I do not season my eggs at this point. I will season them at the end. So I'm going to let them cook almost about 50% of the way. Very slow. It's going to take about, I would say 2 minutes. At the meantime, I'm going to turn on my oven to 350. That's right, that's the secret. The oven has to be preheated to 350 to finish the eggs off so you don't get overcooked. So 2 minutes later, we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Now I'm going to take my pan and throw it in the oven. Alright, it's been about a minute and the eggs are done. You can see how perfectly sunny side up, no crispy edges, nice and soft. Now with my rubber spatula, I'm going to just scrape the bottom to release the egg and just slide it out of the pan. Well, I told you I don't season my eggs until the end. So what I'm going to use is some pink Himalayan sea salt and just crush it right on top. Just like that. And there you go. Perfect sunny side up eggs every single time. Just use your oven a little bit and that's the trick. So there you go. Sunny side up eggs, very easy. As you can see, this recipe is really fast, but it's something I think a lot of people don't know how to do. I'm sure people know how to make eggs, but can they make them perfect? I think that was one of the tests I had in culinary school, so that's why eggs to this day is probably the test I use for all my new cooks. Make an omelet, make some sunny side up eggs to see how their technique is. So hopefully you enjoy this. Stay tuned until next week for a new recipe or a new technique. Love you guys. Take it easy. Bye.